Hey everyone, Kensurfs here, and it's time for another shave. It's midweek, and I'm excited. I got a new batch of shaving equipment, or shaving products, from vanyulay. And if you've ever seen my videos, you've seen that I've used the vanyulay travel or Shavebowl. I got this as a gift from one of my friends, and it turns out very good. What I like is it's got that rough honeycomb texture to it, so it really helps whip up the soap. Well, Monica at vanyulay has just sent me some new products, and this is their newest release. It's a gift box. I guess they have a couple of choices in this gift box, and this is the Brisk Waters. And what it does is it comes with everything you need for shaving. You've got your shave soap, well, you got your bath bar, your vegan bath bar. You've got your shave soap, you've got your aftershave balm, aftershave splash, and cologne. And this scent profile is similar to the Davidoff Cool Waters cologne. If you've ever smelled that high-end cologne, you know it's a really nice smell. And some of the base, or some of the notes, I often don't describe the scent, but the scent profile on this one is the top notes are, what was it, mint, seawater, rosemary, and then the mid notes, or the heart notes, are lavender, jasmine, geranium, neroli, and then base notes are oak moss, musk, and sandalwood. All I know is it smells like Davidoff Cool Waters, so it's really good. So I'll be doing a shave with that today. I'm going to be using my, I don't think I've used this one before. This is from YaQi Brush. It's a 24 knot, and pretty cool. I like that handle. I've got something similar. What was this one from? The Shave Company, Haircut and Shave Company. Kind of similar. Got the barber pole look, but I think this is the first time trying this, and this looks like a synthetic badger. It's not a real badger, but it looks synthetic. So we'll be trying that out today. And I'm going to be trying again the Fine Marvel razor, 3-piece razor. I mean, that is one heavy-duty razor, and I think I've only done it on video once, used this on video once, but I've been using it regularly, and it's a very comfortable razor. And for the blade, I'm using the Gillette Wilkinson sword in there. The saloon pack, you get that from India. So I've got that, and I'm gonna break right into this shave. I'm gonna, let's see, opening up this. Hopefully they're not sealed with tape or anything, but oh man, very, very nice. Look at that. I'm gonna get my 50 pence piece. It needs cleaning now. I'm gonna scoop a little of this soap. This soap is kind of in between hard and soft. It's a pleasant in between. I'm gonna put some into the shave bowl right there. Got some in there. In fact, I might put a little more. I really want to get a nice lather going. And I've got the brush soaking in the crystal skull. Let me wet my face a little. It's Movember. For you guys who are just tuning in and you haven't watched the last several shaves, I'm growing out the, I grew out the mustache for Halloween. Now I'm growing out the goatee. It's No Shave November, and it's to bring awareness to getting early cancer screening. So a lot of people are growing out their beards and their mustaches in the month of November, hence they call it Movember. But we encourage you, I encourage you to go get cancer screening, go to the doctor, get looked at, checked out, do it often. My stuff they pulled off my forehead is healing up now. See, it's getting there, almost done. And it wasn't cancer, but they took something off my eye, and that bruise you see is where they injected that needle into my eye, and it's still going away. I went to the docs yesterday, clean bill of health. This is good. This is good. It's just going to take a while for that bruise to get away, or to go away. And since I said that, my face dried. All right. I'm going to get a little more water. Since I haven't used this brush before, yeah, there we go. Now it's spilling out. It takes a while to get the water soap ratio down. I haven't used this soap either, the brush or the soap. Yeah, there we go. Now she's spilling out. See that? That's what you want to see. Oh, and it definitely smells. Oh, it's thick too. Look at that. Oh, Too bad. Smell that? It smells good, huh? Very nice. Very nice. It's bowling night tonight, so I'll be out bowling. Had a good weekend. I hope you had a good weekend. And it was kind of funny for me. But I went to a party on Saturday. Was it Sunday? Saturday. I did a shave before the party, and that's the last video I've done. And I went to this party, and it was at my friend's house, my friend Tom's house, and him and his girlfriend Kat were throwing an 80th birthday party for Kat's mother, and Catherine, Kat's mother. And I'm at this party, and there's probably 30 or 40 people there, and I maybe know 8. So I'm sitting there having a drink, eating the food. They had good food and a lot of drinks. Check this out. So let me get this dialed down again. There we go. See, I figured out how to adjust the light. So they had some good food, some good drink, and I'm sitting there eating, and a gentleman comes over and he goes, this is the first time it's happened to me. I've never met this gentleman before. And he says, "Aren't you Kensurfs from YouTube?" I go, "Yeah." And he goes, "Oh, hey, man, I'm one of your subscribers." And it was so cool. His name's Gareth. And he asked if he could take some selfies with me or some pictures with me. His girlfriend was there. She took some photos. And I took one. I said, "Dude, since you came up here, I'm going to put you on the channel." So here's Gareth at a party. Just a cool thing. So you never know who you're going to run into. This guy says, "Are you Kensurfs?" And I couldn't believe it, here in Huntington Beach. All right. Well, way to go, Gareth. Nice meeting you, man. It was so cool. Let me see. There we go. Hey, man, I'm getting that light adjusted good. Let's see here. Get that message away. But it was really nice to see somebody who watches the channel, and that hasn't happened to me out at an event where I actually had never met the gent before. But what a nice guy. So thank you, Gareth. And it was nice meeting you. And then one of the viewers and one of the subscribers, a great guy from the UK, Dave, he's sending me a Gillette Wilkinson sword. Let me grab that. Drop that. A Gillette Wilkinson sword razor. So that is in the post. So thank you very much, Dave. I am looking forward to trying that out. I couldn't get that in the United States. Just so cool. I'm going to send him a cool brush or two. Really appreciate that. So got some new items on the way, and the new items here. This soap is performing very well. Very well. You can't go wrong with the fine razor. I could call it quits right now. The only thing I'm still figuring out on this camera is you can't see my Pop's photo up there. The frame is just not quite as wide as it is. And although I can change the recording speed and the frames per second to 1080, I found out that if I upload videos to YouTube for you guys in 1080, some of you can't view them on whatever device you're viewing them on. So I only upload them at 720. Because last 1080 when I did, a lot of you couldn't see the video. I don't know if you're watching it on PlayStation or a TV or something, but you just couldn't view it. So this way you all get to view it. And I'm figuring out this camera slow but sure. Oh, that better not be the mailman. That dog will go nuts. Had the plumber over yesterday, and he didn't care about the plumber. Didn't bark at him at all. A damn UPS or the mailman comes, all hell breaks loose. It's weird shaving around a goatee. Well, the good news is it's almost Christmas. And in the holiday season, I usually take a week or so or a couple of weeks off. So I should be able to upload a couple of videos every week if I'm in town. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. I like uploading these videos to you guys. It's like I release them and you never know how they're going to do. You might get the thumbs up, you might get the thumbs down. Ironically, well, it may have thumbs down now, but the video I did like 3 or 4 shaves ago with the red tip, for the longest time it had 100 thumbs up and no thumbs down. So whatever products I used, see, what would be nice if somebody goes, hey, I don't like that product, thumbs down. Then I know what it is, but it's, at least I know and I can try to fix it. But you can't please everybody, right? You get 2,000 views, one guy doesn't like it. What can you do? Now, somehow, somebody's going to say you had soap in your ear, and I'm hoping I got all of that out of there. Oh, and I did trim some of this. I was getting a lot of advice and a lot of complaining from my wife saying, hey, let me kick that light up just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, everything's on screen now. There we go. Trim it a little bit so it's trimmed. Do you want me to shave it off and grow it all out again? I'm not going to go through that itching. All right. The soap performed well. Way to go, Monica. All right. I'm going to try the Aftershave Balm because the comes in a little bottle. My skin is still kind of dry with these fires. And my best wishes go out to all those poor people up in Northern California and just north of us, about 30 miles, who were devastated with these fires. And a lot of people passed away. They got, caught in it. And my thoughts and prayers go out to them too. Man, California, we have earthquakes and friggin' fires. We never get rain or hurricanes, thank goodness. But, that's got a little bit of a tingle to it. I wouldn't call it a burn, but very pleasant. Now I'm gonna put some splash on it, man. I'm going the whole 9 yards on this. Now it's the Brisk Water Splash. I'll figure out if it has alcohol. Good, it has a little nozzle at the end, so it's not gonna go pour all over the place. Oh, it smells good. No burn. Wow, very cooling too. Yeah. I like that. Very nice scent. Oh, you can't go wrong with one of these kits. All right, last but not least, some cologne. I like these cool little bottles here. So let's see. There it is. Ah, there's a burn. Wow, nice strong scent. Well, there you go. What a great idea. A fully self-contained gift. The only thing I didn't use is the bath soap. Gift box. So very nice. Monica, you got a good product there, and I really do like your website. And she sent me some cool samples, little packets of samples of some of their other shaving soaps, because they have a huge variety of shaving soaps on there. Gentlemen and ladies, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great Wednesday, and mail. Perfect timing. I have to go get that mail. Thank you very much for watching. And bowling night tonight, we'll let you know how I do. And thanks again to Dave, and thanks again to Gareth. And we'll see you guys again real soon. And I saved the best for last. I almost forgot to mention. Monica wanted me to let you know that Vanyulay will be having a big Black Friday sale. So go to their website, check it out, and who can resist something on sale? So hopefully they have some really good sale items and some good prices. So I do encourage you, check it out, Black Friday sale. All right, everybody, so long for now.